5:30 on, what day is it, Sunday? Not sure what day it is. Probably the 10th September. I guess just drop the pilot off. Sorry about the light. Amazing night last night. Good, bad, indifferent. Get out of the breeze. So, went to dinner, and poor chap behind us, behind our table, wife was going up to him, soon wife, mum. So I had to tell this guy was a bit overweight, bald, looked upset. The wife went over to him. It was right behind us, and it was like, this don't look right. And then we carried on talking, and then the wife went off and left him and come back with a member of staff, and then there's more members of staff, and it all got kind of awkward. And so we got up and said we just get out of the way of, because there was about 8 waiters, etc. Basically the guy started throwing a fit, and there's not that you can do. You feel sorry for everyone involved. And they tried to put him on a wheelchair. He was a big guy, he collapsed. They couldn't get him on a wheelchair, so they abandoned that, and then they just brought up a bag stretcher and carried him out. 8 blokes carried him out. Then last night, about, I don't know, because this was about 6 last night, I noticed, I looked on the ship's tracker, and we started going the wrong direction. We were heading into, almost backwards. I took a screenshot. And then tannoy announcement, stretcher crew to XYZ. I think that was code, because basically an helicopter arrived and carried him off to Truro. So fingers crossed it was just precaution. Morning.